Everyone, we're going to be making a summer wreath today, and I'm going to start off with a 12-inch foam wreath. I purchased 3 of the chenille yarn from the dollar store. These are 65 yards. The color's tan, but I think a pale green, yellow, or maybe a blue would even work for this. You could also use some cotton nautical rope that you could get at the dollar store or strips of material. This is the back side of my wreath, and I start off by placing a strip of hot glue across it and then laying the yarn across it. And when it dried, I began to wrap it around. And I'm wrapping this snug and trying not to overlap it. And I went ahead and I cut it and hot glued it down, and I'm going to restart it. And I'm going to do this in sections of 3. I finished wrapping it, and this is the back side of my wreath, but I'm going to go ahead and clean it up a little bit, trim some of the strings that are hanging off over here on this side, and a little bit of the hot glue. And if you use the nautical rope or cloth, it will wrap a lot faster. It'll take a lot less time. And here's the front side. Now I bought 3 of these yarns just to make sure that I had enough, but I didn't even use all of the first one, and I have these 2 whole other ones left. I bought a package of floral foam balls from the dollar store, and they're 2.3 inches in diameter. Now the ones I got came in a package of 3, and I went ahead and I took one and I sliced 1/3 off. On top of this, I did 3 coats of Mod Podge, and I let it dry 40 minutes in between each coat. This was to fill in the pores on the styrofoam so I could paint on top of it. I traced the styrofoam on a piece of orange foam sheet and drew out wavy points for a sun. I used acrylic matte yellow and painted 2 coats on the half styrofoam ball, waiting 30 minutes in between for drying time. I hot glued the orange foam to the back of the styrofoam ball. I used a black paint pen to draw the face, or you could use a permanent marker. With some pliers, I clipped off a little bit of the toothpick so it wouldn't poke through all the way. I placed some hot glue in the center and attached the sun to the top middle part of my wreath. So I'm using the same size styrofoam ball that I did for the sun and a slightly smaller one, which is 1.9 inches, and I did the same thing. I sliced them both 1/3 of the way. I applied coats of Mod Podge on these the same way I did the sun. For the larger one, I painted 1 coat of the same yellow, and for the smaller one, I painted 1 coat of black. On a piece of foam, I traced 1 circle, and then I traced the other circle right next to it. Because I wanted to fit snugger to the yellow circle, I cut a slight dent into the one side. I cut the colored foam out as 1 whole piece, and then I trimmed it down slightly. Then I hot glued it to the back side. The next thing I did was to sketch lines on with a pencil, and then I outlined it with a marker. And then after that, I took a paintbrush and used the same black paint to fill the lines in. I clipped off a 3.5 inch piece of pipe cleaner, folded it in half, then hot glued it on the back for the stinger. I hot glued 2 googly eyes onto the front. I've cut off 2 more pieces of pipe cleaner, each 2 inches long. I'm going to bend the tip over just slightly on the end, and then just kind of curve it a little. So when I tried out the antennas, I thought they were just a little bit too long, so I cut off another 1/4 of an inch. Poked 2 holes in above the eyes with a pencil tip and inserted the pipe cleaners. Next, I began attaching some fake white small daisies that I purchased at the dollar store. I separated them and I cut off the stem. They come in groups of 2. For the first one, I did cut off the leaves, and for the second one, I left the leaves on, but I grouped them together. I used the tips of my pliers to punch a hole through and then stuck them in that. They seemed to be holding, so I didn't use any hot glue. I also purchased some sunflowers and separated the stems, and then I cut it off short enough that it wouldn't poke through the back side. For this one, I didn't even use the pliers. I was able to push it right into it. I repeated the flowers on the other side, and I attached one of the bees. To attach the bee, first I broke off a small piece of the toothpick with the pliers. And I did this so it wouldn't poke through the back of the ring. I'm using some hot glue in this area along with the toothpick to secure it down. I repeated the white flower pattern on both sides, and then I placed a sunflower on the bottom. You could add more flowers if you wanted to, but I'm going to leave mine more open. The styrofoam wreath is so light I can just hot glue a piece of twine to the back of it and it should hold it. So there's my summer wreath. I'd love it if you'd please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.